Well, Patriot Racing Project is a veterans peer-supported mental health charity. We achieve that by taking veterans out sailing, sailboat racing, and now what we're going to be beginning is including veterans on our vessel restoration projects, teaching vets vessel construction, restoration, varnish, small engine repair, things of that nature. Good educational programs. We do, yep, the Celeste and our flagship, the Sharna. The Sharna actually docks with the Door County Maritime Museum in the summer. She's currently out of the water right now, but she'll be back next summer. That is correct. Ever since I reached out to Kevin and told him about our program for working with veterans and going sailing and everything like that, he fell in love with the idea. We finished almost finished restoring our flagship Sharna. And then you just kind of had, a little strike of genius, I guess you could say. What if, because a lot of veterans came out of the woodwork to restore Sharna with the belief of what her mission is and the belief in working with each other. And then Kevin reached out to me with an original 1938 Peterson-built sloop named Escape and said that she needs some love and to be rebuilt. Then I thought, you know what? There's really something to this. What if we get veterans together and just have that as part of the program? We rebuild boats in the winter and then sail them in the summer. Exactly. It'll be free of charge. We're still in the process of acquiring tools and things, materials, and getting the shop here set up and getting ready to do the restoration. It's going to be a little bit slow paced because it's going to be just an educational program, but veterans, it's free service to participate in, and it's a great time to hang out with brothers and sisters in arms working on a common goal together. On Facebook, Patriot Racing Project, that's the name on the Facebook page. We also have a website, www.patriotracingproject.com. You can reach me out on email there. You can message me on Facebook. I'll be listening.
This is a 1938 sloop sailboat built at Peterson Builders here in Sturgeon Bay. And it was gifted to the museum more than 20 years ago, and it has been in storage. And just the result of being in storage alone, subjected to heat, and no maintenance, the boat is in dire need of some restoration work, probably a good bit of restoration work. So we're looking forward to working with Patriot Racing and partnering together and turning this boat into something that can go out on the Bay of Green Bay and out on Lake Michigan and visit different ports and convey the message of both what the Maritime Museum is doing for education and maritime education in Northeast Wisconsin, but also what Patriot Racing is doing for veterans all over Northeast Wisconsin. So we're hoping that her future is filled with a lot of fun times on the water. That is the word that Jack used. Captain Jack used that word first when we started talking about this, that this boat could be a great ambassador for both the museum and our education efforts and for Patriot Racing and what they're trying to do. Just to get the message out, it's going to attract attention. It's an absolutely beautiful boat. They don't make them like this anymore. And I've seen what Patriot Racing can do, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what this boat looks like when we're done.